If you are still looking for a business idea to run in 2025, grab your pen, grab your book, and come sit down, because I'm sure by the time you are done watching this video, you are going to have at least one business, not two, just one business idea that you'll be able to run before the year runs out. We are not sitting idle again. As girls, as boys, as women, as men, we need money. We need to do something for ourselves. Gone are the times when we sit and fold our hands. No. If the government does not employ you, you can still do a business for yourself. And the first one I'm going to be talking about is going to be wig making. Have you ever thought of the people behind the scene of these wig sellers that display wigs that are now looking very fine and all of that? Have you ever thought of the people working behind the scene, the people that are making wig for them? These people are making so much money. You can just go and learn how to make wigs. That is the only thing you need. Just go and learn how to make wigs. And some people are not even using the needle and thread again. Now you can get a machine to do that. And if you're someone that have done the business and then you are getting a lot of orders, you can go ahead and employ people, teach them how to make these wigs, and trust me, you are going to be making so much money from this business. This business is very lucrative because in the time and age that we are now, girls are even preferring to wear wigs. Of course, I'm also wearing a wig now because it's very simple for us to wear. We are even preferring to wear wigs than even braid our hair. So wig selling and wig making is a very good lucrative business for you. Just learn how to do it. If you can afford a machine, get it. If you can afford to employ people, do it. Market yourself to wig sellers. If you are not a wig seller, then market yourself to all those people that are selling wigs, because some of them buy this thing in bundles before they now come and wig it and style it. So that business is very good and lucrative. The second one we are going to be talking about is going to be fabric business. Do you know how much people make from this business? Especially those expensive fabric. You see, when you see all those Lagos, let me use Lagos because Lagos is where the party happen. And when you see all those Lagos party, when you see all their ashwebi and everything, if they buy this fabric from only you, one vendor, you know how much you are going to make from this thing. Fabric business is very lucrative. Even if you are selling the expensive one, you are selling the ones that are not expensive, those ones that are cheap. This business is still very lucrative. Fabrics is a very lucrative business. Try it and you'll come back and thank me later. This business is one that people are making money from. And the third one is going to be ready to wear clothes. Hey, these businesses, have you not been seeing people, when you see people wearing all these up and down, all those two pieces materials, all those fabrics, have you not been seeing people wear these things that are sewn out of fabric? These ready to wear clothes, people are making lots of money from this business. And the funny thing is that you don't even need to know how to sew. You don't need to know how to sew. If you are somebody that knows how to sew already, then it's an advantage for you. But if you are someone that doesn't know how to sew, my dear, all you need to do is just go to places like Pinterest, get very good designs, go to market, get this material, go and get tailors that will sew these things for you. All you need is just to position yourself and market it. Make use of social media platforms. Instagram is there for you to market these things. Instagram, Facebook, very good places to market these kind of things. And you will be selling, you'll be making money like, when you start making this money, you'll come back and thank me because these business ideas I'm giving you, they are so lucrative and you need to start it today. Don't wait till the year runs out. You need to start it today. And the fourth one is going to be unboxed perfume. Have you ever walked past somewhere and somebody gives you that compliment of how good you are smelling? Have somebody given you that kind of compliment? Now people are more aware of how good they need to smell. Everybody wants to smell nice. And this unboxed perfume, they last longer than some of those perfumes that you know. These perfumes, for people that know, they prefer to patronize this kind of perfumes because they know that these ones are the ones that last long. If you wear them, they are going to take you for so many hours before they run off your body. So this business is also a very good one. Those unboxed perfumes are a very good business idea you should try out in this year. And then the last one we are going to be talking about is cosmetics. Tell me that girl, that guy that doesn't want to look good. Is there anybody? No. Everybody is now doing skincare. And one thing about this business is that I never knew this business was lucrative until my sister wanted to start this business. things that were sold. Oh God, should I start spilling? Like, I was surprised that there are products. There is this serum that I use. The average price of this serum in the market is around 15, 16, 17,000. That's how they are selling this particular serum. When my sister wanted to order this thing, guess the amount. It was 4,500. Calculate it. Just do this calculation. There is one moisturizer. I'm not going to be mentioning the names though, but there is one moisturizer. They sell this moisturizer in the market averagely between 27, 28, 29. Some people even sell it 30,000, depending on the store you are buying it from. Guess how much was buying this thing? Guess how much? 10,000 naira. Now calculate. Just do your calculation. I don't need to talk about it again. There was a soap she wanted to order. When she was just talking about it, I was just looking at her. I was like, is this how this thing is very lucrative? And I don't know. How can you order a soap for 700 naira? And then when the soap comes, because when I was the one that was even calculating it, because the market price for that soap is around 2,500, or by now it should have been around 3,000. I don't even know. So look at the difference. Cosmetics. You see these people that are selling cosmetics, they know what they are doing. Cosmetics is a very good business, especially now in this time and age where people have become so much aware of their skincare. People are doing skincare everywhere you go. People are now very, very concerned about how they look and how their skin is. On this channel, we talk about finance, entrepreneurship, and digital marketing. So if you're someone who is interested in topics like this, please like, share, subscribe, and don't forget to share how you feel about this video in the comment section. I'm sure you must have learned something from this video.